Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do some simple regex matching. So this is aimed at beginners. So I'm going to create a string called text. And let's just increase the font size a little bit. Text, there we go. So hello Perl in 2024, and we're going to create a subroutine called match words. So simply we're just going to match one word in the string. Excuse me. Okay, so we're going to do that through standard input. So first of all, we're going to print enter word to match, and then we're going to simply do chomp my scalar entry. So we're going to get the input from the user using standard input. Right, now we're going to use the conditional. We're going to evaluate things. So if scalar text does not match it's going to be the scalar entry. 1 second. Sorry about that, I thought I heard something going on behind my computer, but I was wrong. Okay, so if it doesn't match, what the person has typed into the input box, we're going to tell the user that. So we'll just print out a message. Print sorry, no match, and a new line character. Or else, if we have got a match, print match. Right, all we have to do now is call this by match word. Save it. I think I want to match Perl. So let's pop that in there. Let's increase the font size. Now let me type Perl in lowercase. No match. The reason is there's no match is because this is case sensitive. So let's type Perl here in uppercase. And there we have it. We've got a word match. So we've matched a word in the text. Okay, let's create another subroutine here. And we're going to match single letters in the string this time. So subroutine match letters. And this time we're going to print match character in Word. So, if scalar text, now we're going to use this matching character here, scalar text. Yep, scalar text above. If scalar text matches, let's say, X, so if there's an X in there, print letters matched, else print letters not matched. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to call it match letters. So remember, we're trying to match an X in this text, so let's run it. Match letters not matched, of course, because there's no X. What if I want to match capital P there, so we know that's in there. Let's just run that. Letters matched. Okay, so the last one we're going to go on to is we're going to match numbers. So sub match numbers. Okay. Print match numbers. Okay, again, so if we got the scalar text above matches, and we're going to have to do this character, and we got the D and the plus there for match one or more digits in the string. Then the little escape character there. So we're matching for one or more digits in the string here. Print simply matched, or else print no numbers found match numbers. Okay, let's run that. Match numbers matched. Okay, so we've got matched there. Okay, do it like that. Let's get rid of those numbers here. Just simply hello Perl. We'll save it. Match numbers, no numbers found. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. Remember, if you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button below. Give it a big thumbs up. And I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.